Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we would like to go ahead and do a database attachment and detachment. But first and foremost, a little bit of environmental adjustments. You notice that I've made this larger. If you hold down your control key and use the scroller wheel on your mouse, you can make this larger and small. I'm going to make it a bit larger in case we need it. Also notice I am showing my line number. If you want to see that, you can go under Tools, Options, Find SQL Server, Transact SQL, and then select line number. See, it's unchecked by default. I'm going to select it and choose OK. Alright, so this is another sample database, the Northwind database, which you can go to this link to get. I will post the link in the description. If I scroll down here, I have the option of actually downloading the MDF file using this link, so we can certainly do that. I've already done it. You would have to click this link and download it. I'm going to close my browser and go to my downloads folder. So it comes in as a compressed file, and what you want to do is to basically decompress it. Once you have decompressed it, you get these two files. Now I do need to run the decompression one more time because I was playing with this. Let me do it so we're all very consistent. I'm going to right click and choose Extract All and choose Extract. And there they are. I'm going to select both of these, copy them, and go to the SQL Server installation, which is under Microsoft SQL Server, the instance name, MS SQL, and the data folder. I'm going to paste both of them in here. Again, if this is the first time you've done this, you will probably get a little dialog box saying, that Windows needs your permission. Alright, so I have it over here, but of course there is no instance over here. I can refresh this and you see that it doesn't show up. If I right click databases, I have the option to attach. So I'm going to select attach and click add here. And there is Northwind MDF. I will select it, choose OK. Shows me the files, which is great, and choose OK here. And there is my Northwind database. If I expand it, you can see that I do have some tables here. I have a bunch of DBO schemas. We'll discuss schemas later. And I can do a select statement asterisk from DBO dot, let's say, products. And products. And this will probably give me an error message. You'll see why in a second. Alright, invalid per object name, and this is something to be aware of. As you can see, while I have this selected here, up here, it's still pointing to AdventureWorks LT, so I will have to select the drop-down list and choose Northwind. And then I will go ahead and execute it, and I will get results back. So this is how you attach a database. How do you detach it? Well, very simple. If I want to right-click Northwind again, I have the option to say detach this database. I'm looking over here, you don't see it, and when you don't see it, go under tasks and you see it's right up there. It says detach. I will detach it, and this might give us an error message. We'll see. Usually when it takes this long to detach a tiny database, it's an indication it might be an error message. So you can see it's an error message right here. Why is that? Well, because it still has this open. I'm going to close this query. No, I don't want to save it. I will refresh this, and I will attempt to right click and go to tasks and detach it again. And this time it was successful. So basically it was still open, so you couldn't detach it. Now detaching is not the same as deleting. Deleting destroys it. Detaching just detaches it. I can just right click databases again, choose attach, click Add, and there it is. In fact, I am going to attach it again and leave it alone this time. So there it is. This is another sample database that we can work with. So that's how you actually attach and detach databases. Thank you again for being a great audience, and please don't forget to share your knowledge with others. And if you like these videos, please feel free to share them with your loved ones.